What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we're making southern green beans. These are seasoned with bacon. They're so delicious and easy to make. Let's get started. So first I have 4 slices of bacon that I've chopped into pieces. I'm using my Dutch oven and I'm gonna get this bacon nice and crisp. Once that bacon has fully cooked, you want to drain that excess grease, but I like to leave about a teaspoon or a tablespoon of grease in the pan, and then I add in 1 cup of chopped onions. I'm using white onions here. Then you want to saute those until they're translucent and fragrant, and add in 2 minced garlic cloves and give that a good stir. Then you're going to add in 1.5 cups of broth. I'm using chicken broth. And I have 1 teaspoon of Creole Seasoning and a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. I have 1 pound of fresh green beans. I'll leave some instructions in the description box for how you can use canned beans or frozen beans, but you're gonna let those green beans simmer for about an hour to an hour and a half until they're soft. And there you have it. Southern green beans.